In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make to backup files to Google Drive. We're going to set up a simple automation that takes email attachments from Gmail and saves them into a folder in Google Drive. This is a great way to create an organized backup system without having to manually download and upload files every time. First, open Google Drive and create a new folder for your backups. You can name it something like Make Backups. This folder will be the destination where all of your files are stored, so it helps to create it in advance to keep everything neat and easy to find later. Next, log in to Make and create a new scenario. Give it a clear name such as Automatic Google Drive Backup so you immediately know what it does when you come back to it in the future. Once the scenario is open, click the plus button to add your first module. For this example, choose Gmail as the file source. Then select a module that retrieves attachments such as list email attachments and media. This tells Make that you want to pull files directly from incoming emails. After that, connect your Gmail account by clicking Add and signing in with your Google account. Make will ask for permission to access the necessary Gmail data, and you'll need to allow that so the automation can work properly. Now you can set your backup conditions. This part is important because it controls which attachments get backed up. For example, you might choose to save only attachments from a certain sender or only emails with a specific subject. Setting conditions like this helps avoid unnecessary files being added to your backup folder. Next, add another module by clicking the plus sign after the Gmail step. Search for Google Drive and choose the Upload a File module. This is what sends the attachment into your Drive folder. Then connect your Google Drive account and choose the Make Backups folder as the upload destination. After that, map the file fields. Use the file name from Gmail for the file name and map the file data or content from the attachment itself. This ensures that Make uploads the actual file with the correct name, rather than creating an incomplete or unusable item. Once everything is connected, click Run once to test the scenario. Then send yourself an email with a test attachment. Make sure to detect that file and upload it to your Google Drive backup folder. Open the folder in Google Drive and confirm the file appears there. It's also a good idea to open the file and make sure it isn't corrupted. Finally, configure the schedule so Make knows how often to check for new files. Choose a timing that matches your needs, then save the scenario and turn it on. From that point forward,